Have you ever walked into a room in your home and thought, I don't even use this space anymore? Or maybe you looked at years of accumulated belongings and felt unsure about where to even begin. Downsizing can feel a bit overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. Welcome back to our Downsizing Video Series. In today's video, we'll share 3 simple steps to help you get started with confidence. Many homeowners in London, Exeter, and surrounding areas face the same challenge. They want to downsize, but don't know how to tackle such a big task. You might worry about what to keep, what to let go of, and how to manage the emotional ties to your belongings. We understand how daunting this can feel, but starting the process is easier than you think, with the right plan and the right team by your side. Here are 3 simple steps to start your downsizing journey. Start small. Begin with 1 drawer, 1 closet, or 1 room at a time. Breaking it into manageable pieces will help you avoid feeling overwhelmed. Sort into categories. Use 3 boxes or bins labeled keep, donate, and discard. This method keeps you organized and focused. Seek expert help. Whether it's hiring a professional organizer or working with a trusted real estate team, getting expert support ensures you stay on track and make informed decisions. At Community Real Estate Group, we're here to guide you every step of your downsizing journey. From helping you prepare your home for sale to finding the perfect smaller home, we're your trusted partners in this process. Imagine walking into your new home. Every room has a purpose, and everything in it is something you truly need or love. You feel lighter, freer, and ready to enjoy this exciting new chapter of your life. That feeling isn't far away. With these steps, you can turn what seems like an overwhelming process into a very achievable goal. Starting your downsizing journey doesn't have to wait. Take the first step today. Visit communityrealestategroup.ca to start your journey and find all the ways you can get in touch with us, including our email addresses, which is also in this video description. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and share. And don't forget to subscribe to Community Real Estate Group, London and Area Living, for more expert real estate tips and neighborhood insights. Ready to take the first step? Visit communityrealestategroup.ca. We're here to guide you every step of the way.